Oh, happy day, yet another day that the Lord has made, and I will rejoice and be glad in it. Wonderful day. I feel so amazing when you unplug from certain aspects of the world, and then you have to plug back in. The mindset, the revelation, the peace, the growth. It's so good, it's scary. It reveals what you've allowed. It reveals what you need to cut off. It reveals what you need to amend. It reveals what you need to run from. It does all the things that you didn't even realize that you needed. And I'm grateful. You can literally be moving and appearing to get things done and be successful, but feeling also weighted down. And that's been me, literally. On paper, I can be that girl, but just so much going on, so much you're trying to carry, and being there for 29,000 people and only 10 deserve it, and 3 you're really only supposed to be there for. Because we can make our loving kindness, we can make our desire to help and turn those things into an assignment. And we're wondering why we're annoyed, tired, irritated over it. Well, because you've chosen to pick up things that you weren't supposed to. Just because you can assist doesn't mean that you're always supposed to. And even when you are supposed to assist, did God tell you when? Because that could be why you're tired and out of order. Because God does things in decency and order. So it's about when you're supposed to, how much, and then also how long. So, unplugging is a thing. Yeah, unplugging is a thing. And every time I unplug and replug, I'm shedding things of myself that should have been shedded or killed like a long time ago. But the beauty and discovery is just that. You're discovering what should and should not be. And there's like a joy in that. It's like, wow, I didn't have to do that. Wow, I need to stop doing that. Wow, I need to start that tomorrow. There's like a peace, a joy, a fulfilling that comes over me. And I pray that you guys learn how and when to unplug too.